Hello! In this tutorial, I'll introduce you to importing drawing files and models created in other tools into DesignBuilder, including 2D DXF floor plans and elevations, Bitmap-type drawings such as PDF, and gbXML and IDF files. I'll start by showing you how to import 2D drawings. DesignBuilder enables you to import DXF files.
You can access the full tutorial from DesignBuilder's website here. This page contains our extensive range of free tutorials, including an introduction to the software and more details on DesignBuilder's key capabilities and workflows. The tutorials are all short, enabling you to quickly and easily view the most important details in your areas of interest. They provide an excellent guide for anyone wanting to evaluate DesignBuilder. A direct link to this specific tutorial is included in the video description.